Internet computer value equivalent to $17,404 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $17,509 to $93.18.48 The earlier day close, $17,809.91. The change was 0.587 till 33%. Reverse rate, ICE to IP. Dollar to Internet computer figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 0.40 coins. Excessive costs N40, while low zone 34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs from 38. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.36, change for June 10%. Loss to IP expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs N46, while low zone 36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost M40. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.43, change for July 19.4%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 0.43 coins. Excessive cost 0.43, while low zone 34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.39. The ICE to IP figure toward the month's end 0.37, change for August 14%. ICE to IP expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs in 37, while lows on 30. The found the middle value of cost on 34. The ICE to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.32, change for September 13.5%. Dollar to Internet computer estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 0.32 coins. Exorbitant costs in 32, while lows on 26. The found the middle value of cost on 30. The ICE to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.28, change for October 12.5%. ICE to IP expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs on 29, while lows on 25. The found the middle value of cost on 27. The ICE to IP gauge toward the month's end zone 27, change for November 3.6%. Dollar to Internet computer gauge for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.27 coins. Excessive costs on 28, while lows on 24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 26. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.26, change for December 3.7%. ICE to IP expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 0.26 coins. Excessive costs on 27, while lows on 24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 26. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.25, change for January 3.8%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for February 2025. At the outset cost at 0.25 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.27, while lows on 23. The found the middle value of cost 0.25. The ICE to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.25, change for February 0%. ICE to IP expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.25 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.25, while low zone 22. The found the middle value of cost zone 24. The ICE to IP estimate toward the month's end zone 24, change for spring 40%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.24 coins. Excessive cost 0.24, while lows on 19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.22. The ICE to IP figure toward the month's end 0.20, change for April 16.7%. ICE to IP expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 0.20 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.21, while lows on 19. The found the middle value of cost 0.20. The ICE to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.20, change for May 0%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.20 coins. Excessive cost 0.21, while lows on 18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.20. The ICE to IP figure toward the month's end 0.20, change for June 0%. ICE to IP expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 0.20 coins. Excessive cost 0.20, while lows on 16. The arrived at the midpoint of costs in 18. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.17, change for July 15%. Dollar to Internet computer conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 0.17 coins. Excessive costs 0.19, while lows are at 16. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 18. The ICE to IP conjecture toward the month's ends on 18, change for August 5.9%. As to IP expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 0.18 coins. Excessive costs in 23 while lows in 18. They found the middle value of cost 20. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.21. Change for September 16.7%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 0.21 coins. Excessive costs 0.26 while lows on 21. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 23. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.24's change for October 14.3%. US to IP expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 0.24 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.27 while lows on 23. They found the middle value of cost 0.25. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.25 change for November 4.2%. Dollar to Internet Computer estimate for December 2025. As to IP expectation for January 2026, before all else cost at 0.29 coins. Excessive cost in 29, while lows on 24. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 27. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.25 change for January 13.8%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for February 2026. At the outset cost at 0.25 coins. Excessive costs in 33, while lows in 25. They arrived at the midpoint of cost in 28. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.30, change for February 20%. US to IP expectation for WARC 2026. At the outset cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs on 39, while lows on 30. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 34. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.36, change for spring 20%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs 2.46, while lows in 36. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.40. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.43, change for April 19.4%. US to IP expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.43 coins. Excessive costs 0.45, while lows in 39. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.42. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.42, change for May 2.3%. Dollar to Internet Computer conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 0.42 coins. Excessive cost 0.44, while lows on 38. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.41. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.4.